Hello, good morning, dear blooming students and friends. You are most welcome to my channel. This is Suresh Bharadwaj with helping verb to know, to learn, to understand. Helping verb, helping verb. अभी आप कल पढ़ रहे थे लिंकिंग वर्ब. ये be, do, have से बन रहा था. Be, is, and, are, was, were. Okay. Been भी लगा सकते हैं. Been, being, do, does, did, have, has, had. चलिए देखते हैं. Let us learn. Let us use smile. Smile is reading. Smile is reading his book. Present tense है. Smile is reading his book. अपनी पुस्तक पढ़ रहा है. Reading principal verb और here is helping verb. Helping. ये is helping. Okay. Principal verb reading. रीडिंग प्रिंसिपल वर्ब मुख्य क्रिया को, मेन क्रिया को मेन वर्ब कह सकते हैं या प्रिंसिपल वर्ब इज इसकी सहायता कर रहा है. स्माइल इज रीडिंग हिज बुक. आई एम टीचिंग यू. आपको मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं. टीचिंग यू. तो टीचिंग प्रिंसिपल वर्ब एंड हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ओके. They are playing cricket. वे लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. They are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. Playing principal verb and are helping verb. Helping, playing. She was doing her work. वो अपना काम कर रही थी. Doing her work, doing principal verb and was here helping verb. Was helping verb. Okay. The students were taught. विद्यार्थियों को पढ़ाया गया. स्टूडेंट्स वर टॉट. तो वर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ओके. एंड टॉट हियर प्रिंसिपल वर्ब. पैसिव वॉइस. बीइंग. देखिए बीइंग. आई हैव बीन टीचिंग यू. I have been teaching you. मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ since July. Have been helping, teaching का. Have भी helping है इसी का. इसी है. I have been teaching you. Being taken a lunch. I went to school. Being taken lunch, I went. So taken principal verb and being helping. लेकिन कल अभी आपने लिंकिंग पढ़ रहे थे. Being a student, एक छात्र हो करके या होने पर. Being a student here linking being done, करने करके, done, principal verb, and this is now helping. She did her work. वह अपना काम किया. Did here helping, sorry, ये लिंकिंग हो गया. लिंकिंग हो गया. She did not do her work. Do her work. वो अपना काम नहीं करी. तो did helping, did यहाँ helping, principal verb do. तो helping do. Did you play? क्या आपने खेला? तो did here helping play. Did. Okay. She does not write. वह लिखती नहीं है. She does not write. तो write principal and does here helping principal verb write. Okay. The help here helping verb. I have a pen. कल आप पढ़ रहे थे have यहाँ और लिंकिंग वर्ब हो गया था, लेकिन आप देखेंगे हेल्पिंग. I have broken, तोड़ दिया है a pen. I have broken a pen. Okay. She has cooked food. वो भोजन पका चुकी है. कुक्ड फूड, कुक्ड हेल्प. राम हैड अटैक्ड लंका. राम लंका पर आक्रमण कर दिए. हैड अटैक्ड, हैड हेल्पिंग वर्ब है एंड अटैक्ड प्रिंसिपल वर्ब एंड इट इज नाउ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ओके. Now, next thing, let us learn has been, have been, had been. देखिए, she has been reading. She has been reading a novel. वह एक उपन्यास पढ़ रही है since July. She has been reading a novel since July. Okay. So reading principal verb and this is now helping verb. I have been playing cricket. I have been playing cricket for 10 days. 10 दिनों से मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ. Playing here principal verb and I have been helping verb. They had been practicing hard, to win. जीतने के लिए वो कठिन अभ्यास कर रहे थे. तो for 4 months, suppose that for 4 months, 4 महीने से जीतने के लिए वो कठिन परिश्रम या कठिन अभ्यास कर रहे थे. तो had been helping verb and practicing here principal verb. Okay. Next step, इनको देखिए. ये तो सर एक मॉडल है will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might का प्रयोग हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब के रूप में देखते हैं. she will write. She will write. वह लिखेगी. She will write. Okay. Will helping and write here principal verb. I shall write. मैं लिखूंगा. On whiteboard. Write principal verb and shall here helping verb. Likely. She would do. She would do. Do here principal verb and would helping. I should play. मैं खेलूंगा. मुझे खेलना चाहिए. Should here helping verb and this is your principal verb. Can, ability to do. I can write. मैं लिख सकता हूँ. I can write with my hand. मैं अपने हाथ से लिख सकता हूँ. Okay, and you could not pass. आप पास नहीं हो सकते थे. Could not pass. कारण जो भी हो. Could helping verb, pass principal verb. Can helping verb, write principal verb. Next, it may rain today. It may rain. It may rain. It may rain today. आज वर्षा हो सकती है. Rain principal verb and may here helping verb and this is your principal verb. Yesterday, कल. Yesterday, it might rain. कल वर्षा हो सकती थी. It might rain yesterday. It might rain. तो it might helping हो गया यहाँ पर. You see here. And this is your principal verb. Clear? Likely. You will और would कुछ का प्रयोग देखते हैं. Shall, should, can, could, may, might. ठीक है. बी लगा कर देखिए. It will be. It will be late. देर होगा भाई. यह late होगा. It will be late. It will be late. Late होगा. Right? It will be late. तो सॉरी नहीं बना. यह प्रिंसिपल हो गया. She will be writing. She will be writing a letter. Will be writing. Progressive action है. Writing here principal verb and this one, this and this helping verb. Okay. I shall be playing. हम खेल रहे होंगे. I shall be playing. So will be helping and this is now principal verb. Can be. It can be done. इट कैन बी डन, यह किया जा सकता है, डन प्रिंसिपल वर्ब एंड कैन बी हेल्पिंग वर्ब, हेल्पिंग वर्ब। ही she may be doing her work. Doing principal verb and may be here helping verb. It may be done. It may be done. पैसिव में हो गया। It may be done, किया जा सकता है, संभावना, possibility to take place, action to take place, maybe helping verb and this is your principal verb. Likely past में आप narration में देख सकेंगे। देखिए कुछ some of the users, they should be taught. Taught here principal verb and should be helping verb. Principal verb, helping verb. Okay, she would be or she would be beaten, उसे पीटा जाएगा। She would be beaten, she would be beaten, principal verb and this is now helping verb, could be, it could be done, Ram could be taught, principal verb could be here helping verb. Might she might be motivated to get her work done. Here you see might be motivated principal verb and might be now helping verb. Okay, in this way, so you may use these helping verbs in various sentences, different sentences you should use. Okay. Besides these uses, और भी कुछ देखा जा सकता है। would have, should have, could have, might have, और वर्ब ले लीजिए, प्रिंसिपल वर्ब, हेल्पिंग हो गए सब, ये हेल्पिंग एंड प्रिंसिपल वर्ब। Okay. She would have done her work. She would have done her work. So would have now helping verb and done here principal verb. Helping. Likely they might have completed. Yeah, students might have completed their home assignment. They might have completed their home assignment. Might have helping verb and completed here principal verb. Likely other sentences you may frame using these helping verbs. Okay, dear. Next step I would like to make you understand. Let us now use some of the sentences. Let us enjoy. He is reading. He is reading. He has been taught. He has been taught English. He is reading. He has been taught. Okay. I have been being taught. I have been being taught. Clear? He is reading. He has been taught. I have been being taught. Clear? I have been being I shall have been teaching you English. I shall have been teaching you English since July 2021 से मैं आपको अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रहा हूँगा. पैसिव कर देते हैं. You will have been taught by me. Taught English by me since July 21. Right? मेरा इशारा है. He is reading principal verb से पहले helping verb, एक helping verb. He has been taught, उसे पढ़ाया जा चुका है. Principal verb से पहले दो helping verb. I have been being taught. Taught here principal verb, and यहाँ you see three helping verb. I shall have been teaching you English since July 2021. So teaching helping verb, principal verb, and been, have, shall. यहाँ पर भी आप 3 helping verb. You will, इसका पैसे बता दिया. You will have been taught English by me since July 2021. The taught here principal verb. मेरा इशारा है 1, 2, 3, 4. यहाँ पर you see here 4 helping verbs. कहा 1 helping verb, 2 helping verbs, 3 helping verbs, and 4 helping verbs. Now you see the helping verbs have been used here. Dear students, try to use these helping verbs in your own sentences, in various tenses, in various voices, and try to practice more and more, learn more and more. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.